As the Trojan basketball team prepared for their matchup against UAB, those who took the stairs up to the concourse witnessed a vast wonderland of tasty treats and tender meats. As part of homecoming week, Troy fraternities and sororities participated in the Trojan Tailgate Cook-Off in Trojan Arena Thursday night. Each sorority had to present a homemade baked good, while each fraternity presented something from the grill.
So we made Conecuh sliders. This is really just to pay homage to really traditional sporting event snack, just a hot dog. We made it bite-sized using Conecuh sausage, which is the official sausage of the university.
Tonight we made cupcakes. We did 3 different flavors. We did red velvet for Troy, since it's Troy colors, a strawberry one for Phi Mu, since pink is our color, and then a funfetti one with a basketball on top for the basketball team.
Everyone's item had to be prepared before the event, and for some, a lot of time and effort was put into the finished product.
The execution has taken about 4 hours or so today. We really were slaving hard to make sure that everything was just right so we could get this competition entry done and make sure it was solid for the judges.
Once everybody had their food displayed, a panel of judges walked around to each table, sampling everyone's creations. Once the judges made their rounds, the floodgates were opened for all Troy students to enjoy some free food.
I think the reaction was good. We're pleased with it. They've communicated to us that feels very traditional, feels very classic, and I think that's kind of what we were going for.
I like to think they liked them. Hopefully, their eyes got a little big when they were trying them, and so I feel like that's a sign of, ooh, that's good.
My favorite grilled item was probably the ribs that Farmhouse fraternity presented. I would have to say my favorite baked good item were the Cardinal Bites, which were mini red velvet cakes that Katie made and presented tonight.
As you can see, whether it's a baked good or something pulled straight off the grill, Troy's Greek organizations are offering something delicious for everyone. Reporting on a full stomach, Stuart Bradly, Troy, TrojanVision News.